Assalomu alaykum azizlar. Welcome back. Bugun yana bitta #muvaffaqiyat siri.
This is the secret they don't want you to know. Join me and start winning today.
Muvaffaqiyat bu tasodif emas. Bu algoritm. It's an algorithm. Xuddi mening yangi global coaching algoritmi kabi. U sizni topadi, it finds you. Sizni o'rganadi, it learns you. Va sizni muvaffaqiyatga majbur qiladi. Do'stlar, ko'rib turganingizdek, muvaffaqiyat yo'lida to'siqlar bo'ladi. But we push through. We are unstoppable.
Sir, you can't be in here. Look at me. I did exactly what you said, and now I have nothing. This is live. Everyone needs to know.
Men hamma narsani siz aytgandek qildim. I did everything you said. Uyimni sotdim. I sold my house. Kredit oldim. I took loans.
This is not part of the show. Bu bir tushunmovchilik.
A misunderstanding.
Tushunmovchilik?
Misunderstanding. I lost everything. Hammasini yo'qotdim.
For your
Let's go, sir. Mening omarim qani, Botirbek? Where is my luck, Botirbek? Muvaffaqiyat. Bu algoritm. Men esa adashib qoldim. I am lost.